Hi student, we are going to discuss example 6, 7 and 8. Before discussing the question, let us revise what is LCM and HCF. LCM is the product of the greatest power of each prime factor, where HCF is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor. See the difference? LCM, we are considering the greatest power of each prime factor. Every prime factor we should consider for finding the LCM. But for HCF, we are considering only the common prime factor and the smallest power of that common prime factor. And this is the relation between HCF and LCM of two positive integers. This formula is only applicable for two positive integers only. If the HCF and LCM we are finding for more than two numbers, this formula is not applicable. HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. That means the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of that two numbers. Now we can discuss the questions. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. This is the first question. So first we will find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 20. Okay. So for 6, what are the prime factors? 2 and 3. For 20, we can write 2 square into 5. If you have any doubt, you can use the ladder method to find the prime factors. Okay, in this way we are writing the prime factors. Then for LCM, we have to consider each prime factors and the greatest power. For 2 and 2 square, what is the greatest power? That is 2 square. And we have to consider 3 and 5. It is 60. Okay, so LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. Then we can find the HCF of 6 and 20. Okay, again 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 20 is equal to 2 square into 5. Okay, but we have to consider the common prime factor only here. What is the common prime factor here? It's 2 only. Okay, 3 and 5 it's not repeating in both numbers. So we have to consider 2 only, and we have to consider the smallest power of the common factor, that is 2. So HCF of 6 and 20 is 2. This is example 7. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. So first we are finding the HCF of 96 and 404. 96, the prime factors, we are using the ladder method. Okay, so we can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 raised to 5 into 3. Then 404. 404 as 202. 101. See, 101 is a prime number. So it's not going any other number other than itself and 1. Okay. So we can write 2 square into 101. For HCF, we have to consider the common factor only. Here, common factor is 2. And what is the smallest power for 2? That is 2 square. So HCF is 2 square, means 4. And in the question, it is asked to find the LCM also. Hence find. So from the HCF, we have to find the LCM. That means we have to apply the formula HCF of A into B. Sorry, HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B is A into B. Okay. What is the HCF here? It's 4. LCM, we have to find out. A into B is 96 into 404. So LCM of 96 and 404 is 96 into 404 by 4. Okay. After calculating this, we will get 9696 as the LCM. Example 8. Find HCF and LCM of 672 and 120 using the prime factorization method. First, we will find the LCM of 672 and 120. 6, 2 into 3. 72. Use the ladder method to find the prime factors. Okay, so it is 2 cube into 3 square, 2 cube into 3 square, then 120. 120, again we can use the ladder method. 60, 30, 15, 3, 5, 5, 5, 1. It is 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay. So for LCM, we can consider the greatest power of each prime factor. For 2, 2 cube is the greatest power. 2 cube into, what is the greatest power for 3? It is 3 square, right? 3 square, and other prime factor is 5. So 2 cube into 3 square into 5, 8 into 9 into 5 is equal to 360. Okay. Now we can find the HCF of 672 and 120. Okay. The prime factors are 2 and 3, 2 cube into 3 square. So we can again rewrite it as 2 into 3, 72 as 2 cube into 3 square, 120 as 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay. Let us consider the smallest power for the common factor. What are the common factors here? 2 and 3. It repeats in all three numbers, right? So 2. For 2, what is the smallest power? It is 2. For 3, the smallest power is 3 only. 5, we don't want to consider because 5 is not the common factor. 2 into 3, answer is 6. So the HCF is 6, LCM is 360. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notification for new videos.